Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store. If you are using Android phone, go to your Play Store. Or if you are using iPhone, go to your App Store. So in this tutorial, I'm using Android phone. I'm going to head over to my Play Store right here. Then I'll get into your Play Store. Click on search right here from the bottom. Next thing you need to do is to click on search apps and games. What you need to do right here is to type in MTN. Then hit on this first result right here, MTN App. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is so it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on my MTN NG. Let's take you right here. So at the time of making this video, 10 million plus are download and use this particular app. Next thing you want to do is to click on install right here. After a successful installation, click on open. Then click on allow. Access exclusive in-app data and airtime over on the MTN My Nigeria mobile app. Simply click on let's get started. Here you have three options to sign into the app. You can use your phone number, your Google accounts, or sign up with your Apple ID. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use my phone number right here to sign in. Then what you need to do next is to click on here and enter your MTN number. Having entered your MTN number, click on login. Then you have the OTP code right here. So the OTP is 597743. The next thing you need to do is to make sure you scroll down right here, read the terms of service right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on I agree. Enter your nickname right here. Then click on continue. Then enter your email address. Then click on continue. Click on next. Click on next. I will do this later. Click on that. Then click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. The beneficiary, click on next. It's as simple as that. Download and install your So after you have successfully download and install my MTN app, next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on here. The next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on tariff plans. It's going to take you right here. So you will know the tariff plan you have. So right now, so by default, you will know the tariff you have from the first option right here. So as at the time of making this video, I'm on MTN XtraValue tariff, and this is what I get for this particular tariff right here. So if you want to switch to any other tariff, what you need to do is to simply scroll down right here, and you can see migrate. But if you take a look at the MTN value, you see XtraValue, you see that there is no migrate right here, which means that this is my current MTN tariff. Now I want to switch to business plan, so I have to make sure I head over to business plan right here. Then on getting to business plan, then you have to scroll down right here and make sure you review the best plan that is suitable for you. As for me, I'm going to switch to MTN Business Plus. This one right here. which give me access to special data bundles and endpoints, which can be exchanged for free data. This is commonly good, and this is mostly good for people that browse a lot with their MTN line. So that is more reason why I want to migrate to this particular MTN Business Plus right here. What we want to do is to make sure you click on migrate. Please confirm you want to migrate to a different tariff plan. Next thing you need to do is to click on proceed right here.